Hello everyone, so in this video we'll be communicating our XP340 with the IX developer software using the Modbus TCP/IP communication protocol. So here I have my master2 project with the Modbus symbol server driver, which we used on the previous video to communicate with the Modbus simulator. I have this project running on my PLC. So now let's go into the IX developer and create a new project to communicate with the PLC. So let's create a new project, select our HMI, click on next. On the controllers tab, let's select Modcon and Modbus master, click on next, and here let's finish. So since we are using Modbus TCP communication driver, we need to create the tags on the IX developer in order to communicate with the tags on master2. So here let's go to the tags menu. We already have a tag here, so let's add another one. This will be our bvar, which is a boolean var on my PLC, and this will be called ivar, which is an int type on my PLC. Now we need to make some settings on our communication driver. So let's go here on the controllers tab. Here is our Modbus TCP communication driver. Select this and click on settings. We'll be communicating through TCP/IP, not 0. So select the Ethernet TCP/IP and change the start address to 1 based. Now on the stations tab, we need to set up the IP from our PLC, which will be 192.168.16.2, and the port will be 502, which is the Modbus pattern. Click OK and apply. OK. So back on the tags tab, let's configure the Modbus address for these two tags. So my bvar on the PLC has the Modbus address 00001. It already recognized as a bit, since the first number being 0 means that is a coil, which is a digital value on Modbus. Or ivar will be 400001 and already recognized as an int 16-bit, since we are using the 4 as a first number, which means this register is a holding register that can be 16 or 32 bits. Okay, so back on my screen 1, let's create some objects to interact with our variables. The first object we're going to create is an analog numeric, so I can write and read values on my loading register, my EVAR. Select this and draw into a screen. So select this analog numeric and click on the property grid, and here select your tag, and the tag will be our ivar. Now I'm going to create a button here to change the values of my bvar variable. So select the button, and here on the top menu, click on Actions. When you click this button, I want to perform an action based on a tag. So let's expand the tag module, and I want to toggle the value of a tag. And the tag that I'm toggling will be my bvar. Okay, so that's it. Now let's run our project. So go to the project menu and click on the run button. Okay, my simulator is running. I can see that my analog numeric already have a number on it, which is 100. If I go back to master2, I'm gonna divide the screen between master2 and the IX developer simulator. You can see that they are both communicating, since I have 100 on the master2 and I can see the 100 on the IX developer side. So I can change this value just to confirm, like click here and write 200. You see that I have the value 200 on the PLC. Now if I click the button, I should be able to change the value of my bool type variable. It's true. If I click the button, it goes to false. If I click again, it goes to the true state. So with this video, you've learned how we can set up the communication between my PLC and my IX developer using the Modbus TCP communication protocol.